What could you do with nearly 75 acres? I'm Melanie MacDonald with Winters Legacy Realty. Let's explore the possibilities here in Ennis, Texas, home of the Texas Bluebonnet.
Welcome to this beautiful piece of the Lone Star State located in Ennis, Texas. This property is nearly 75 acres of native grasses such as coastal and rye, along with seasonal tanks, all of which provide a serene backdrop to a working ranch. Security and peace of mind come naturally here, with the property completely fenced, ensuring safety for your livestock. Mature trees scatter the land as well to give shade and shelter. The property is just 9 minutes from downtown Ennis and 34 miles from Dallas, close enough to the city for convenience and yet far enough to breathe easy. Come make your mark on this timeless landscape on Prachyl Road. It's the perfect canvas for your legacy. Reach out today for more information.